In March, when the snow still blankets the forest floor, the maple producer does the rounds of his grove in order to drill a small, special-sized hole in each maple tree. There exist nearly 200 varieties of maples spread throughout the northern hemisphere. In the lower St. Lawrence, the sugar maple is the major variety used for maple syrup production. Starting at the end of March, the alternate cycle of freezing and thawing promotes the rise of the sap, which comes from the tree's stored starch. Maple syrup will be produced from this sweet sap. During the summer, photosynthesis allows the maples to store starch. Autumn is a time of exceptional beauty during which the maple grove's foliage emerges into rich yellow, red, and orange colors. The trees then enter their dormant period. It is in January and February that the tube system used for collecting the maple sap is checked and repaired for the last time before the sap begins to flow. In the lower St. Lawrence, in March, when the snow still blankets the forest floor, the maple producer does the rounds of his grove in order to drill a small, special-sized hole in each maple tree. This is for inserting the tap and harvesting the sap. The next phase is collecting the maple sap and running it to the facilities for storage and evaporation. A vast tubular network travels throughout the grove and links all the exploited trees. The harvested sap collects in large reservoirs before being transformed. Before starting the evaporation process, inverse osmosis is used to concentrate the sap's sugar content. The object of this phase is to shorten the necessary boiling time and decrease the cost of fuel. The evaporation process concentrates the sugars and promotes the development of maple syrup's characteristic flavors. At the end of the production season, the maple producer removes the taps and starts the summer-long maintenance of his maple grove. Thus ends another cycle in the fabulous maple syrup adventure.